Okay, so now I am going to do some massage on the dog and show you how that's done. And I'm a massage therapist, and I do a lot of massage on myself, but not enough on the dog. So first of all, sit cross-legged like this, with the dog's back to you like this, and they're laying comfortably, and just start gradually working along the spine. You can feel the spine right there. Take your thumbs and put them right along the spine, and use the weight of your body. This is a Thai massage technique, rocking back and forth. So use the weight of your body and take your thumbs and run them, compressing and petrissaging. This is petrissage, when you're moving your fingers or thumbs in a circular motion. And you're feeling for the tight spots. And you feel a tight spot, you can stop and work on it a little bit. Okay, so it's tighter down here. So to get better leverage, I'm going to move my body over here. I'll move you here too. So I'm compressing in, and I can feel that it's tight in there. Move my body a little bit. You can also use your palms. Okay, so now I'm going to do some tapotement on that side. Percussion. I can use my palms. I can use the back of my hand like that. You can make your wrists really floppy like that. You can use the back of your fist like that. And then after you finish a side, wipe the energy, rub the energy down, and release. Now I'm going to do the other side. So you turn the dog around, flip her over, and repeat. Feel along the spine really well. And if you feel a bad spot, get in there and rub it, because it's probably some tight muscles around a vertebrae that might be stuck. And that will help that vertebrae to release, and the muscles too. Remember to keep breathing and try and relax. Spend a good deal of time doing this. This is just a short video. and not really a long session that would be all as beneficial as if it were longer. And you could also do some stretching of the dog. This is called traction, when you're spreading the tissue or the spine by pushing down on one side. Can you see that? Pushing down on one side and pushing the opposite way with the other hand. No, lay down right there. See, and they may try and get up and like escape. Just lay them back down there. Now this is a golden retriever, and they're so docile and easy to work on, and she'll actually get in the bathtub without me having to force her. Okay, so now we're going to finish this side with a little tapotement. Okay, I hope that helps you out with some dog spinal massage. Be good.